Alright everybody, we're now going to go for a ride in our 1955 Chevrolet pickup 3100 edition. What's nice about this truck, besides its really old-fashioned green style paint and its look, this not only would represent as a farm truck, but as a classic truck. Step side bed, 350 small block engine with manifolds. Got our nice bed, got a nice bench seat here. We got our original speedometer cluster. Got aftermarket vintage air to help you stay cool, especially in the Florida hot sun. As you can see, even our steering wheel is nice. We got tilt steering. Our brakes work good. Our steering works good. Of course, now we have to wait for go around this person here. But this truck has an especially nice sound coming out the back. Not really a crazy cam, no hydraulic or solid cam, but just a nice smooth truck. As you're going down the road, people can hear you coming. As we take this turn right here, we'll open her up a little bit so you can get a better sound of it. As you can hear there was no spits, no issues in the car. Shifted just fine. And yeah, she's a pretty little truck we got here at Skyway Classics. But anyway, we're going to get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.